Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. Today, we'll be creating a glow-in-the-dark graphic on the Mimaki UC JB300 series printer. For this application, we'll be using Mimaki LUS 170 inks on photoluminescent film. We'll start by loading the design into our software and arranging it on the artboard. With Rasterlink tools, we can easily add and convert objects to create custom cut lines. We are now ready to load the file into the Rasterlink software. Once we have selected our desired print settings, we can easily set the cut functions. The file is ready to print and cut in a few simple steps. The UCJB can perform all the print and cut functions automatically. Our finished product is easily removed and ready to be applied to the surface of our choosing. Glow-in-the-dark prints are a unique way to display attention-grabbing images in day and night environments. Illuminating. For more information on the UCJB300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com. And be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.